Hello, good morning, my dear students. You are welcome to my new video of learning of stories from Footprints Without Feet. After many days of having studied the textual stories from First Flight, I thought to start the second supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet. Now I am going to start Chapter 3, The Midnight Visitor. Before starting this chapter, I would like to put its short introduction. There is a secret agent whose name is Ausable, and a writer also is there whose name is Fowler. Comes to him. He wants to learn about the life of a secret agent. Ausable takes Fowler to his hotel room. It is a room on the top floor. The room, where is the room? Room is on the top floor of the hotel. Ausable tells Fowler that he is going to receive a very important paper. Which kind of important paper? That will be cleared further in this story. He says that many men have risked their lives for those papers. Many men and women have put their lives in danger for that paper. Both of them step into the hotel room. Both of them, who are them? Ausable and Fowler. Ausable the agent, secret agent, and Fowler the writer. Both step into the hotel room. Now, what does the text say? Start from page number 14. From first paragraph. Today we will study only 2 pages, 14 and 15. Okay. Ausable did not fit any description of a great agent, of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. Ausable has no the qualities of a secret agent as Fowler had ever read. Ausable was a very simple person. In looking, he was very simple, and he did not look like a secret agent as Fowler had ever read. Following him down the musty corridor. Musty means here state with state of bad smell. Musty, stale with bad smell. Rotten, sada hua, bad smell. Corridor of gloomy French hotel. This is the description of that place where they have stayed in the hotel. The place is, what kind of place is this? Place is musty corridor. Musty corridor, where? Corridor of gloomy French hotel. Gloomy means dark French hotel, where Ausable had a room. Fowler felt let down. Fowler Fowler became very disappointed to see this. Let down here means disappointed. It was a small room on the 6th and top floor. This is very bad place according to Fowler, and that's why he became disappointed to see this place in the hotel. and he was also disappointed to see Ausable not in the form of agent but as a very simple person. It was small room on the 6th and top floor, and scarcely means hardly, with difficulty, and scarcely a setting for a romantic adventure. Ausable was, for one thing, fat, very fat. Ausable, his disposition was, his बनावट कहते हैं, उसकी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज, उसका जो बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर था, his body was very fat, he was very fat. And then there was his accent. Accent means tone of voice, lehza. His tone of voice was also not favorable. Though he spoke French and German passably. Passably means tolerably, which can be tolerated. French and German he can speak very well, but not fluent. He had never altogether lost American accent. Though he was speaking French and German, though he spoke French and German, but where did he belong? He belonged to America. So American tone was cleared from his speaking. He had brought to Paris from Boston. He came to Paris from Boston 20 years ago. You are disappointed, Ausable said, wheezily. Wheezily means looking at him, looking over his shoulder. What Ausable said? Ausable said, you are disappointed. He is talking to Fowler. By saying this, you are disappointed. You were told that I was a secret agent. You were told that I was a secret agent. I spy. Spy means detective, jasus, dealing in espionage. Espionage means practice of spying, practice of the work of detective, जासूसी के काम की प्रैक्टिस को वो डील करता है. And danger, their task is related to danger. You wished to meet me because you are a writer. He is saying to Fowler that you wished to meet me because you are a writer. Young and romantic. You envisioned. Envisioned means thought. You thought mysterious figures in the night. The crack means sound of firing or noise. You thought mysterious figures in the night and noise of firing of pistols, drugs in the wine. Drug here means narcotics. Many things you thought in your mind, but you found nothing here. This is the meaning of saying instead, in place of. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in the French music hall with a sloppy fat man, unsystematic figure or of a fat man. Who is fat man here? Fat man is Ausable, with which Fowler spent a dull evening, who instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark-eyed beauties gets only a prosaic telephone call, making an appointment in his room. Only the messages from the beautiful girls. Beauties means dark-eyed beauties here means beautiful girls. Only he has found, only Fowler has found that Ausable is receiving the calls from dark-eyed beauties or beautiful girls for their appointment in the room. Except this, he found nothing. You have been bored, and he became bored. The fat man chuckled. Chuckled means laughed quietly or grinned. एक अजीब सी हंसी हंसना, that is called chuckling. Then the fat man who Ausable chuckled to himself as he unlocked the door of his room and stood aside to let his frustrated guest enter. Frustrated means disappointed guest. Who is disappointed guest? Fowler. As he entered the room with his frustrated guest, he chuckled. He is saying, "You are disillusioned." Disillusioned here means set free from false belief or disappointed. You have got nothing, and everything is false here. So you are disappointed. Ausable is telling Fowler, but take cheer. Cheer means happy, but take cheer. But be happy, my young friend. Presently you will see a paper. At present you will see a paper, a quite important paper for which several men and women have risked their lives. Very important paper. That paper is so important that may change the history. And for that paper, several or many men and women have put their lives into danger. Come to me. Someday soon that paper may well affect the course of history. Underline this. Someday you will listen, you will see that paper may well affect. Affect means influence. Paper will well influence the course of history. In that thought is drama. Is there not? क्या ये एक ड्रामा नहीं है? क्या ऐसा नहीं है? He spoke. Ausable closed the door behind him. After he has entered the room, Ausable closed the door. Then he switched on the light, and as the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill. Authentic means genuine or right or correct. Authentic thrill. Thrill here means excitement. Fowler had a great excitement after the light came. Thrill of the day. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand, stood a man. What he sees? A man already stood in the room. He had a pistol, automatic pistol in his hand. It was a very thrilling thing before him, but authentic, but real. Ausable blinked a few times. Ausable winked his eyes. Blink means here close and open eyes over and over. आँखें टिमटिमाना. Ausable blinked a few times. Max, he wheezed. Wheezed means spoke loudly. चिल्ला के बोलना. Max, he wheezed. You gave me quite a start. I thought you were a Berlin. You were in Berlin. Max, you are here. But I thought you are in Berlin. But you are already in my room. What are you doing here in my room? Ausable is asking Max that what he was doing in his room. Max was slender. Slender means lean and thin. Now, this is the description of his physical structure of Max. Max was slender, like lean and thin, and a little less than tall. Little less than tall means short in height, with features and suggested slightly crafty, pointed countenance of a fox. Countenance of a fox. मैक्स जैसे कि बताया गया है इसमें दुबला पतला था, लेकिन ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं, शॉर्ट फिगर का था वो ठिंगना. एंड उसके चेहरे से एक लोमड़ी की शक्ल जैसा ख्याल या विचार लगता था. He was looking like a fox. There was about him, aside from the gun, only a gun was with him to create danger. There was nothing except gun for menacing. Menacing कहते हैं dangerous. Dangerous thing वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं थी सिवाय उसके पास गन होने के अलावा. Not his figure was dangerous. He did not look very dangerous person. Only he had one gun in his hand. It may be dangerous, but Max was not a dangerous man. He was fat and lean and thin, and he was lean and thin and short, not tall. So he was looking like a fox. Fox does not look very dangerous. So in the same way he was looking. The report, he murmured. Murmured means whispered. The report that is being brought to you tonight concerning some new missiles. The report or the paper about the new missiles. Now text is clearing what about the paper was. The text is clearing that paper was about new missiles. The report was about new missiles. Concerning means relating to some new missiles. I thought I would take it from you. Max is saying to Ausable that I thought that paper is concerning to new missiles. He thought to take from him. It will be safer in my hands than yours. The paper, the mysterious paper or important paper would be safe in his hands, not in Ausable's hand, he is telling. So we will continue this story from the new video next time. Okay, please start reading this book, Footprints Without Feet. So I have started today, and from chapter 3, read this chapter, and moreover you can read in detail, and question answers after finishing this chapter I will send you with the next videos. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Take care of yourself, my dear students, and take care of your elders and youngers. Don't go outside and stay home, stay safe. Okay, wash your hands over and over and take care of yourself once again. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.